Come on, let's run!
No. We've been taught to always respect the rules of the road. These rules were invented to protect us, and they will. Come on, hit screen.